Hello YouTube, I'm going to be doing a little project of an engine stand for a Hornet 250 engine that I have at the moment that I have to do a bit of work on, and I've seen a few of them online, but I was just going to do it again and just go through the bolts and shit that you need for this engine. So this is I bought this online, it's about, I think it was €40, and it looks the exact same as on YouTube, the American version, like the Harbor Freight. I think it's kind of like a sealy one as well, but I'm not sure the actual make. I'll find out when I cut it open anyway, so let's see what the crack is. It's just I think it's 300 kg or 400 kg engine stand that you can pivot the engine around on, but it's for a car. The mount is going like longitudinally through the engine, whereas on the motorbike engines the mount bolts are going, say, like laterally from you, so the pins go through at a different angle, so you can make a couple of brackets and shit, but we'll see what we get there. Pretty fucking heavy. I suppose that's a good thing. Instruction manual open. Is it in any decent English? Okay, it's not bad. We got. Oh fuck. Together. Yes, so it's the front, I think. This looks like and one through the middle. Sorry, it's really loud. It's all pretty good steel, looks like box steel. It's nice and welded, like, and painted up, finished good. That's a very heavy piece. That's the bracket. We got wheels. More cardboard. Probably boxes and bolts. Oh, these are the arms for the frame. Four of these. Bolts. Bag bolts. Okay, so it says take two. Alright, so to make the brackets match up with the engine on the bike, the mounts on the engine are ladder, like I was saying, so you have to put these little kind of right angles on the bracket that you get supplied by them and drill a hole in both sides. So one for the mount on the actual stand, the engine stand, and one for the bolts you're going to go put through the back of the engine. The 2 bolts for the back of the engine, sorry. So I bought some bolts as well for this. So the top one was I think 140mm and the bottom one was 200mm long, and they're just N10s, and they're going to hold the weight on the back through the mounts over here. You can't see it. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah, so here on the top and on the bottom, and then they're going to run through the channel, and then the channel is going to be bolted to this frame like at a 90 degree, and then it should go together hopefully. So we're going to start drilling holes in these. You can mark them and punch them and then start drilling. So the bolt hole for the actual bracket, these arms on it are 16mm diameter holes, and then the bolts for the engine are 10. So I'm going to drill one side up from about 4 to 16, and then I'll do the 10 on the other side. So that's the plan. So let's do it. And there you have it, the assembled product. After getting all the brackets at the back kind of bolted together, you just roughly line them up on the engine while it's still off, and then tighten it all down. This whole part here, like the brackets and the long bolts and the fingers, the way they line up, so it's kind of like hanging down inside. And then I transferred the whole engine and the frame into the stand, and I had to cut back a bit of these the ends of these bolts just to get it to be able to rotate freely around 360 degrees, but it's perfect and it's working and it fits the engine good and it's all lined up. I had to do a little bit of fiddling with, I think, the bottom left bracket and the top right bracket. I just had to chamfer the corners just to round them to line up with the casing of the engine. But other than that, it seems a pretty sweet job. It's going to make the engine change a good bit handier, so that's the end of that. Thanks for watching, guys.